In this video, we will show you how to doing clean print head on Epson printers. First, open the control panel, and this is must select view by category like this. Then select view devices and printer in here. Click in here, and you will find your printer here. Right click, for example, this is my Epson L210 series. You can right click and then choose printing preference. Choose in the maintenance tab, and you can doing head cleaning by click this. You can click start to start cleaning your head of your printers. But for better experience to the printers, you must insert some paper on your printers. This maintenance tab will not showing if you don't install driver. You can just type your driver in the Google and install it suitable on your printer Epson. That's all.